Alright, this is going to be a quick how-to, not even a how-to, just there's nothing on the internet about the booster plug install for the KTM 690 Enduro R. I have a 2013 right here. I've already taken off the side plastics, left side right there, right side right there, the orange. Took off the snorkel with the air filter. So right now I've got the air box sitting here, and here's the booster plug box. Comes with a couple stickers, bandana, Ziploc bag for the booster plug. Booster plug is right here. You basically got 3 wires. One, you're gonna disconnect the air sensor going into the air box. You're gonna plug it into here, and then plug this one back into that sensor. So this sensor on the air box is right here, the white colored little plug. So that's gonna be inside. I don't know if you can see that right there, the white thing. So unplug that, plug this booster plug in right here, and then plug this back into the white plug right there, and then you're going to zip tie this sensor somewhere on the motorcycle that has clean air, that's cool, it's not getting heated up by the engine. And then you're going to put the plastics back on. The air box, I did unscrew a bolt right here, on both sides. You do have to unscrew this to get to this bolt. I have the screwdriver just hanging out there because I have the screw just floating there for now. And then you're going to need to unplug or unhook the air hose going into the engine and put that back together once it's all done. So I'll do another video once this is together, show you what my thoughts are, see if it changed the idling, see if the throttle is less snatchy, jerky, or whatever, and then let you guys know how it is. Alright, that's it. Catch you guys later. Bye.